Hi, Morgan here for Onefinity, and today I'm going to show you how I monitor and control my machine and pretty much the entire machining process remotely using technology. In our last video, which was an April Fool's joke and hilarious by the way, I referred to a Onefinity smartphone app that acts in place of a touchscreen interface included with every standard machine. And even though the video as a whole was a joke, the ability to control your Onefinity with a smartphone or a tablet or a computer is absolutely real. You can totally do that. Here's how. All you need to do is make sure that the machine is connected to your home network over Wi-Fi. If you haven't already done so, it's super easy. Just power on your machine, then once it's booted up, tap on the menu button in the top left corner of the screen. Under Admin, tap Network. In the network info screen, you'll find fields where you can enter the name and password for your home network. And just a heads up, the network name and password are case sensitive, so when you enter it into the machine, you're gonna have to enter it, it's gotta be an exact match, just like, well, everything else on the internet. Once you've successfully connected the CNC to your home network, now you'll notice an IP address here at the top of the screen right next to the Onefinity logo. On your smartphone, tablet, or computer, type that IP address into the address bar of whatever browser you're using. The page that comes up will be an exact mirror of what you're seeing on the touchscreen and shares all the same functionality. Pretty cool, right? The main benefit to that, for me at least, is that I can access the electronic e-stop button if anything goes awry during the carve and I'm not right next to the machine. Yeah, but if I'm not right next to the machine, how would I know something went sideways? Glad you asked. Home monitoring cameras are more affordable than ever, and they're a great way to keep an eye on your machine while you're working on other things. There are a ton of different brands and models available, so I'm not going to recommend any one camera. Just do your research and choose the camera that's right for you. I find this especially useful when I need to step away for a moment. So let's just say that I started this long 3D carve that's going to take like 12 hours. Now I'm going to stop right there for a very important public service announcement. We strongly discourage ever walking away and leaving your machine unattended during an operation. I've heard horror stories about machines being completely destroyed, or even worse, shops getting burnt down to the ground because the CNC was left unattended. So much can go wrong, and if it does, you need to be there to stop it. But I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I had a burrito for lunch today, and it's becoming a problem. So 6 hours into a 12-hour carve, I gotta take a break. But before I go inside, I make sure that I have everything I need to monitor and control my CNC in one place. I created a folder on my phone that includes a bookmark to the controller interface, my camera, and the Alexa app to access the smart plugs that power my router and dust collector. If I do need to hit the e-stop in the middle of an operation, I don't want my router to just sit there and keep spinning, generating a bunch of heat around a little pile of sawdust. That's how the cavemen started fires. Not with routers, but you know, sticks and friction, you get it. Check this out. Hey Alexa, turn on the dust collector.
Please would be nice.
Yeah, you know what? I'm not sure I like your tone.
Sorry, I don't know that.
Okay, fine. Alexa, please turn on the dust collector, pretty please with a cherry on top.
That's more like it.
Huh? And there you have it. With the power of the internet, you can monitor and control your CNC like you're from the future. I'm gonna say this again just to drive it home. This is not intended to be permission to leave your machine unattended while in use. Please don't do that. One of the really nice things about having a CNC is that it can run while you're working on other things in the shop. So please use this technology accordingly and responsibly. Thank you. I hope that you found this helpful, and if you did, and you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell for more interesting or moderately interesting videos like this one. All right, thanks for watching. Y'all be good.